How long does amending a divorce decree take? Have you ever wondered how long it takes to amend a divorce decree? This is a common question for those navigating life after separation. Amending a divorce decree is a legal process where one or both parties seek changes to the original divorce order. This could involve adjustments to child custody, child support, or spousal support. The timeline for this process can vary quite a bit. First, most places requiring you to wait at least 1 year after the final divorce decree before you can file for any modifications. This waiting period is meant to ensure some stability before making changes, unless there are urgent issues like child safety that need immediate attention. Once you file a motion or petition to modify the decree, the court will look into whether there has been a significant and lasting change in circumstances. The court needs to determine if the proposed changes are in the best interests of any children involved, or if they address substantial changes in financial or personal situations. Several factors can affect how long the amendment process takes. For instance, if the issues being modified are complex, such as custody disputes, it may take longer than straightforward changes like support adjustments. If both parties agree on the changes, the process can be quicker. However, if the matter is contested, it may require hearings and more court dates, which can extend the timeline. Another factor is the court's schedule and backlog, which can differ based on location. If there is a need for evidence or investigation to support claims of changed circumstances, that can also add time to the process. Typically, if both parties are in agreement and the court finds the evidence sufficient, the amendment process can take a few months. However, if the modifications are contested or complicated, it could extend to 6 months or longer, depending on court availability and procedural requirements. It is also important to note that property division terms in the original divorce decree usually cannot be modified after the decree is finalized. Amendments mainly focus on support and custody-related issues. For anyone recovering from divorce and dealing with lingering legal issues, understanding this timeline can help set realistic expectations. Documenting significant life changes and seeking legal advice can make the amendment process smoother. Patience and preparation can ease both the emotional and procedural challenges of modifying a divorce decree after separation.